To fix a Frigidaire refrigerator that won't make ice, start by checking the ice maker switch, usually located on the top right side of the freezer. Ensure it is turned on, as this is a common oversight that can prevent ice production. Next, verify that the water supply to the ice maker is not restricted. Check the water filter for any blockages or mineral buildup and replace it if necessary. Also, ensure the water supply lines are not kinked or frozen, as this can prevent water from flowing to the ice maker. Check the ice maker's arm or paddle, which is usually located at the bottom of the ice maker. If the arm is stuck in the up position, it can prevent the ice maker from cycling and producing ice. Gently move the arm down to its normal position to resolve the issue. Inspect the freezer temperature, as it should be set between 0 and 5 degrees Fahrenheit for the ice maker to function properly. If the temperature is too high, the ice maker will not produce ice. Use a thermometer to check the temperature and adjust the freezer settings as needed. If none of these steps resolve the issue, check the ice maker's electrical connections and ensure they are secure. Also, verify that the ice maker is properly aligned and seated in its mounting bracket. Finally, if the problem persists, it may be necessary to replace the ice maker or consult a professional appliance repair technician. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the condenser coils and checking the water filter, can help prevent issues with the ice maker and ensure it continues to function properly.